Everybody, there it goes. How many of us are not gonna sleep tonight? 35,000 and a half a couple hours ago. And I was checking my phone and I'm like, let me just see how we're doing, how crypto is doing with now $1.32 trillion in global market cap on the Bitcoin rainbow chart. We are at accumulate. The bear market is absolutely that is over. This is the very beginning of the transformation of a lot of people financial freedom. And this is $35,800, everybody. And couple just about an hour ago or so, $35,950. And I'm showing you on the screen because I want to tell you, guess when was the last time Bitcoin was at that price of almost $36,000? The answer is May 2022. We are going fast. And let me remind everybody why. Because we dropped massively in 2022 in May. There was a crash, there was a collapse in the market. Everything was collapsing. So the fastest you crash and fall, that applies by the same logic when you go up. That's why right now we are exploding. That's why right now in the last couple of days in November, wow, this month, I'm liking this month. I don't know you, but I'm liking this month, right? We all know what's going on. We all know the news. I think everybody by now, if you've been watching the channel, if this is your first time, I'm so happy to have you. Welcome. I'm Oscar. Go ahead and stick around, like, subscribe, the whole day. You know what to do because I'll keep you updated with everything. And if I don't, um, you can always go ahead and take a look at so many people out there, some great content creators here on YouTube. The point is, there's so much going on that it makes us think. Obviously, $35,000 for Bitcoin is absolutely peanuts. And you know what the crazy thing is? I saw Bitcoin at $15,000, $20,000 less. Right now, you see it really sexy right now on the screen, green at 35. My eyes witnessed Bitcoin $15,000 in the hell, in the bottom of the bear market in 2022 when everybody was saying this is over. We're heading to 12. We're heading under 7. How many times I've received those comments saying, you don't know what we're talking about. This is gone. Cronos is gone. Shiba Inu is cooked. XRP is cooked. Well, guys, do you agree with that now? Obviously not. And just see, I'm tired already. I'm destroyed. What a day. I'm sure that for some of us, we already are at the end of the day saying, dude, I just want to take a break. But I wanted to keep you in the loop of right now in the another part of the world. It's already morning. It's already evening, afternoon, and they're already buying. All the good news that we have about the FOMC, or the good news that we have about the updates with the Bitcoin ETFs, it's happening for them. And there's a chance, guys, that when we wake up to the tomorrow here in the US, there's $36,000 or higher because the price of crypto is exploding right now, over 1.30 trillion market cap. And that, you add that Michael Saylor just added more and more whales are coming into the space. The bad actors are being removed. We know SafeMoon co-founders got arrested and they are charging the project. So never bought SafeMoon, right? If you got some great. The point is, we are putting the ones that have suspected allegations, in front of the authorities, regulation. But the good ones like Bitcoin in this case and other projects that have tremendous background and impeccable, papers and the whole deal credentials, they're the ones who are going to be the most beneficiated by this whole compliance thing. And now that the prices are rallying, well, people have to make a choice. And they'll select the ones that bring the most trust and most confidence to the market. And that's why crypto.com, that's why Solana right now, that's why XRP Ripple, when you exonerate, when you leave the founder or the CEO of Ripple, and they're like, you know what, you're good to go. Look at all that it creates for the community. And that's why you're seeing it at 61 cents Chronos at 62 and growing. Chronos can go much higher. But I was looking at this, I'm like, dude, like Bitcoin is it's really for reals exploding at this time. I mean, we can see another of this. This happened today at 3 p.m. We went from 34 all the way to 35, just like this. So just today, which is the first, let's go ahead to the end of October. Just today, we are having about a 5% combined. That is over $1,500 Bitcoin just today, everybody. That's a lot of money. And I'm just keeping you aware of the possibilities of the entire market. Analysts predict that Bitcoin price rising to $150,000 by 2025 is imminent as the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETFs are expected. So if I'm telling you $40,000, they're saying, forget about your $40,000. $150,000 Bitcoin is going to be imminent, guys. This is where we are right now, and we are expecting to grow not even in the Bitcoin halving. Absolutely insane. Right now, these are the ones leading, but Bitcoin and crypto, everything right now, it's absolutely growing. Even Shiba Inu at 508. So at this, 35,831. And I have my water, of course, right next to me. Just fabulous. In the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. So it's 10. So at 5 p.m., that was at 6. So roughly at 5. Yeah, because this was the aftermath of the FOMC, right? So this happened at 3 p.m. This occurred. Then it was kind of like consolidated. It pumped today at 3 p.m. right after the FOMC really nicely. And then we kind of like consolidated a little bit more, but now it's rising once again. Cheers to everyone. Holding, buying crypto, being faithful to those positions that you have done your really good research and due diligence. So enjoy the explosion, little steady explosion on the markets, and let's make some money, everybody. Don't forget to cash out so you can start some other positions. If you're looking at short-term positions trading, then you have to be willing to sell and cash out on those profits. I will highly recommend places like KuCoin, Mex Global, BingX, where you don't pay as much for fees, or of course Binance, Coinbase. I mean, they charge a lot of fees, so FYI. But if you're buying for long, then obviously Coinbase maybe and Crypto.com will be great choices. In the link down below, you get a chance to get some free Bitcoin as we witness some amazing prices. You guys take care. Let's see how this ends tomorrow, because right now I see all green, almost $36,000. And you've been aware, if you wanted just another reason to be like, it's finally happening. We have survived. We have survived the terrible pits of inferno that we witnessed years ago, 2022. Now from here, let me show you. This is the last thing I'm going to show you in this video. Look at where we are. We're finally going back to the price channel that we have. We broke down in August and everybody was like, no way. But it was just a little bit. Now it's coming back up. We're getting here. So we can easily go to $40,000 and then even above as we head to the Bitcoin halving. But let me show you. This is the weekly. This is where we are right now. That's what I was saying at the very beginning. We are cutting through this like butter, super easy. So the next level that we could have more resistance, I mean, realistically speaking, is still at 35,000 where we have this consolidation, but it seems that it's not really stopping us. The next one will be $40,000 right here, and we'll see how Wells want to play that out. But I'm happy that I'm telling you, right? If it's not $35,000, it's $40,000, whichever it is an amazing, amazing place for Bitcoin to be in and not to go down under 30,000, which as of right now, I see that not happening anytime soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.